Hey guys, so today I want to show you and explain to you a little bit about the AOX software that we're developing, and it was revealed in CES. What you see behind me is a little bit of a funky looking car, and I want to get to the bottom of what the software is all about. All of these parts are not designed by me. We developed the software for us, for designers and everybody to use. It's called AOX, Aero Dynamics Optimization Experience. So it's pretty much Aero for everyone. With one click, you can find the most optimal shape for aero. This part we have generated in our software, and the purple is where it changed the most, and the white is where it didn't change. We put the whole data of the car, asking the software to change this much. You can actually do it into 5% more efficiency, or 10%, 15, or 20. We were able to gain 20% more downforce with just the front. This went down for more downforce, but it hasn't changed here because all the air goes into the tire. So this they haven't changed, and this they changed. All the canards were generated, this form was generated on the software without any help of designers. So now let's talk about the rear wing. We generated the shape with the AOX software. It created 25.7% more downforce. What was really interesting to me is not just the shape that was going down here and going up here, but look at this gap. This gap is way bigger than this gap. So you see it's all consistent, and all of a sudden the gap becomes bigger and then smaller. And the reason behind it is because there's an upright here where there's a lot of turbulence, so it automatically generated that shape to give this gap a little bit bigger. Simulation is a simulation, but we also had to test it in track. And we were lucky enough to get Liam Lawson test drive this kit before and after, and he was able to reduce 3 seconds on the track.
Yeah, mate, way more grip, way more grip.
That is crazy. Oh my God.
I think this will change a lot of the process that we've been going through from before and after. And as I mentioned, it was developed specifically for us, for designers, for aero newbies to actually see if this would work, this concept would work or not in about 2 hours. Stay tuned for more. I think this software will open up so much more possibilities for us to work more efficiently and to get a better result in aero in all aspects, not only just in aero, but also in the design side, making things look good and functional at the same time. So stay tuned.